Hello and welcome back. My name is Pete Marshall and this one is about landscapes. Well, it's about black and white landscapes and adding colour using transparent paints. On the wall here we can see various landscapes, all done in the comfort of my own studio. I don't really go outside to do the landscapes because here in Holland we don't have much in the way of mountains and palm trees. As we can see here, these little studies are originally black and white, and I've added transparent paint to bring them alive, to give them more vibrance. In this example here, I've added marigold yellow and hot pink. So we're going to have a look at this process in more detail, adding transparent colour to a black and white landscape. Let's get started. Here's another example. Simple landscape. I've added yellow, blue, and a little bit of hot pink. Okay, so let's put that down, put that out the way, and see what we can do with this. So, a simple landscape. We're going to add some, just going to wet our towel and add a little marigold. There we go. Let's take a little more. See how that suddenly jumps out, becomes a different paint. Let's make it a little stronger. Of course, once we put it on, we can take it away. Just a little bit of water there. So if we want, we just a little bit clean if necessary. We take a little bit of water. Add that to it. Let's take a little bit of blue, a little bit of water, and add it into the sky. Of course, we know that if we use blue and yellow, we're going to end up with green. But there we go. Here's a simple example. Let's take a little bit away from where it joins the horizon. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, here we have another landscape of sort, a bit more industrial scene, you could say. Let's give this hot pink sky. There we go. Actually, I'll varnish this one first before, so it goes on a little differently. But that's okay. And we'll just add a yellow foreground. Let's use the finger there. And again, another little bit of pink. So you can see how, you can see how this works very simply and how effective that is, especially if we put it on. And we're adding it in here with a little stronger on the horizon. Let's take another one. Oh, okay, this is rather dazzling. We'll add pink, give it another pink sky. It's a bit unusual, but there we go. A bit of pink sky. I think I'm going to add a bit of blue in on the horizon. Let's make it odd. I mean, why? We have the ability to. Let's go a little bit funny on it. There we go, blue and pink. You can blend them a little and give it just a touch yellow foreground if we wanted to. And hey, if we didn't like that, we can just wipe it away. Let's take a little bit out of the sky. See how simple and easy this is? Now we do it once, we could leave it to dry, and then we could do it again, adding or taking away as we want. I think we'll take another one. And look, if I take this example, I've already added the yellow and the blue here. But what I can do is add a little bit of white back into the sky. So let's just do that. Let's take a little bit of white, straight out the pot, and enhance that a little. Maybe a bit down here as well. We can drag that down a bit of water. So, there we go. Another example. Do we want to see one more? Okay, let's take one more. Let's take the big one. Let's take a big one, yeah. Here we go. Tricky, upside down. Well, not that tricky. We'll add a little blue into the foreground. And we're going to definitely want to take it away. This one, obviously you can see I've taped the edges. So that's going to look a little funny if I go over the edges. But you get the idea. It's just experimentation. Let's take that away from this bit here and add a little bit of yellow. I think I'll put some blue into the sky as well. Oh, still got yellow on the cloth. This is just ordinary tea towel I'm using. When I say tea towel, I mean ordinary kitchen towel. Tea towel. Yeah, that would work just as well. But perhaps a little costly. Okay, let's just add a little bit more yellow into the background here. Just to give you the impression. And I think maybe I'll add just a little touch of pink with my finger along the horizon. And then if I wanted to, perhaps just lighten up the horizon. Just give it a little more contrast there. There we go. How simple and easy is that? Just give a touch down here too. Till the next one. How was that?